What if I told you that gold trading could change your life? That with the right strategy, knowledge, and the mentorship, you could finally have more freedom and control over your future. Sounds too good to be true? Let me prove it to you. Hi, my name is Gold Trader K, founder of the GTK community. I've been trading gold for the past 6 years. I've seen it all, the highs, the lows, the sleepless nights, staring at the charts, but through it all, I discovered something powerful. A way to trade gold consistently and profitably. I know what it's like to stare at the charts, feeling lost, second guessing every move, wondering why things aren't working. I've been there. I made every mistake, over trading, hesitating, jumping in at the wrong time. But here's the thing, if you knew exactly what to trade and when to trade, you'd eliminate most of those struggles. No more emotional decisions, no more guessing on random setups, just precise, calculated trades that put you in control. That's exactly what I figured out. I developed a method that removes the guesswork from trading, and now I'm helping others to do the same. Most people struggle because they don't have a real plan. They react to the markets, let emotions take over, and try to figure out all of it alone. That's why so many give up before they see real progress. But what if you had access to solid strategy, real-time support, and a group of like-minded traders who actually want to see you win? That's why I created the GTK community, a space for those looking to learn, develop real skills, and connect with like-minded traders. And the results speak for themselves. Warren applied the strategy and saw the return of £1,161.75. Sam followed the system and grew his account by nearly £2,000. Jakub executed a gold setup using our approach and secured £1,081.95. T implemented the strategy and locked in £1,074. Kimberly hit her milestone of taking her £200 account to £1,035. These aren't lucky traders. They are not random guesses. They follow the same structure approach that I share inside my community. Inside the GTK community, you'll get exclusive access to my personal insights, the trading approach, live market breakdowns, daily discussions on gold trends, a network of committed traders. If you're ready to build your confidence in gold trading and develop a strong understanding of markets, let's take the next step together. Click the link below, become part of the GTK community today.